She's loving her life and a job so much, with the world in her hands and a loving touch.
So the main reason why I'm doing this thing is you guys should help me. If there is anything that I did not get or I need to add up, please let me know down there in the comment section. Okay. So first of all, and before that, I'm not going to be telling you guys the prices. If you're more than living in Nigeria, you will understand that. In fact, this is their season, and hey, Chineke, they're actually draining mothers. Because even spend is getting to thousands, and there is once they tell you, you price and price and price. If they did not agree, you go. You might be thinking that, oh, they are going to call you. They might not call you back unless if you're going to use a beg. Most of the things that I got here, they go tell me with a beg. Please, please. If you leave it, another person is going to take it. So it's better for you to continue begging them so they will sell it to you. It's actually their season. So let me start from here. I got 3 of these bags. I got this one for JD. I got this one for Amanda, and I got this one for Norma. Yes. So let's see what is inside. Bag. I have this bag book. These red people, they call it bag book, or is the water bottle or water can. However, so I got it. This one will I even say that it's cheap, but it's almost 3,000. But let me not even mind calling the prices. Maybe let I'm going to fix this thing. Yeah, let I'm going to fix it. So I got Norma is a purple baby, so she loves everything purple. So some of the things that I can get in purple color, I buy it for her. That's how we do it here. So I got this water bottle. I got this thing. Okay, I got the spoon. Look at it. Yeah, I got the spoon. Um, I got the flask. Don't ask me if it is going to retain or by God's grace, because here and is just by luck. If you are lucky enough, it will retain the heat. So look at it. Let me just show you one of it. Look at it. Yeah. So this is for Norma. This is for Norma. Because who introduced this thing? Eh? This issue of carrying school bag and carrying a lunch bag. They have upgraded to this level. I remember then when they used to carry basket, but now it's no longer basket. Eh? It's up to school bag, is it not? So this one is a Amanda's phone. It's almost the same thing that is inside. Amanda is a pink baby. I got this flask also. I got the spoon, but it's pink, but it's not the same. And I got the water bottle also. Look at it. So every day, according to the people that told me, they take food, take water, is it not? And take yogurt and biscuits. Okay, because they do lesson now in the school. Though I don't even know about that lesson. Let them start first. So this is for Amanda, and here is for JD. The same thing I have inside. JD is a blue person. Look at it, and that's the blue water can, and that's the spoon. The spoon is green color. I couldn't get the blue one. Yeah. So I think the bag is even strong. Yeah, the bag is very good, very superior. Something that can last very well for you. Yeah. So that is all about the lunch box or lunch bag. I went to OK, so I got these ones. I got singlets for my girls, yeah, because the one that I have here is not much, because they are going to be wearing singlets every day. They are going to school now, so I got almost more than 10 pieces or 10 pieces for 2 of them. I also got some inner wears for my boy also. Okay, I saw beautiful inner wears for him, so I have to get it. Yeah, so anything that they wear inside, it shouldn't be something that I should lack. So the next thing I got is I got these black socks. I got three of them. This one is for Norma and for Amanda and JD. So another one is that I got this I got three of these stockings, white. I got it at OK. I love it because it's strong. You understand? It's not like these other ones that you just buy it, and though I saw it very light, but this one is a kind of tough weight. You know, you can't use the ready made compared to OK. So I got three of it. Yeah, I got three. Which other thing? Then I went to already made again. I got three of these for JD because it's not like the girls now. Look at it. I got three of it. Very beautiful. Each of it is a 1,000 plus. Look at it. Anyone you want to know the price, you can ask me down there in the comment section. So I got three of these, and I also got for the girls. I got one for them because they have this thing singlet, but let me just add up so I don't lack. So I got all this for them. Let me pack it immediately. I finished washing these ones. So even if I did not wash or I don't have strength to wash, we'll have extra. Yeah, we'll have extra. So that is all about this one. Another thing that I got is before we come to these drinks is I got this white shoes. This is for this one is for Amanda. This one is for Amanda. Yeah, the one that we came back with. I have two white shoes that we came back with, but I'm not sure it's going to size her, so it's better I get this one so we don't lack. Yeah, so this one is for JD. Yeah, I got this one for him. Then coming to the black, I got this one for JD. Look at it. Hana Ogodan Fana shoe as well. So this one is for JD, and I got this one for Amanda. Look at it. How do you guys see the shoe? Let me know. It's the back. Very strong shoe. That is why I like it. And I think it's because I'm still, getting things for my children. We've not been staying in Nigeria. That is why I'm almost buying everything. If not, at least they will have this lunch bag, or they will have shoes, or they will have this thing. It's not everything that I must buy. It's because I'm still starting up. So this is for my girl, Norma. Yeah, very beautiful. Very beautiful. So honestly, this is really their season. And they are utilizing it too. They are utilizing it. It's just like when we are in the Christmas season. Yeah, when we are in Christmas season, everything about Christmas will just increase. So that is all about the shoes. Let me keep it here. I got two of these. Keep it. I'm coming. Keep it on this thing. Okay, very good. So I got two of these, though I have, but for me not to lack. I don't know how far it's going to take us, but this two is okay for me. And I also got this one too. I've never given them this Nutri-Milk, but I'm going to try it. I got it also. Yeah, Hollandia and Nutri-Milk. I wanted to get the Capri-Sun, but I think this one will be more okay. I don't know, but let's just try. I've never given them, but hopefully they are going to like it. So another thing I got is crackers biscuit. Yeah, I got two of it. The last but not the least is this one. You see this thing? Yeah. I think they're going to be taking this one every Fridays, just once in a week. Yes, once in a week. But if I have alternative of, substituting this Indomie, I'm going to do that. That is it. I got the carton. So that is all about it. Which other thing am I forgetting? I think that is it for now. So guys, let me know down there in the comment section. Do you think there's anything I am forgetting? And I've also asked them how to package the foods. They say is a I have a potato, so it's not much. It's not much, but I can still manage it at least for 1 week. Yeah, before I'll get another one. They say it's potato and egg sauce. In Israel, we don't take food to school. They only take snacks. You understand? So, but what they're telling me here is something like potato. You fry potato with egg sauce, plantain with beans, and jollof rice and stew. And hey, oh my God, I know that with time, I will get used to all these things. Yeah, with time, I'll get used to it. And at the same time, asking the teacher to also help me. If there's any way I'm not meeting up, he or she is going to help me. Yeah, assist me on how to run it. So that is all about it. We are getting ready for our school. So far, our heads are ready. Come and show your hair. Come this way. Be careful. Okay, I hope you guys can see her. So that is our beautiful back to school hair. Yeah, she made it today. Turn your hair. Turn this way. So beautiful. You look like a princess. You're so cute. Yeah, so that is our back to school hair. Yeah, there you go. Follow here. Come and show your hair. JD is in the parlor. He's watching television. So we're going to leave him. Sit down. So they almost made the same thing done like this. So you guys should rate our hair down there in the comment section. So that is our back to school hair. Our school bags are there. And what other thing do we need? You can go. Please let me know down there in the comment section. Do you think we are forgetting anything? Well, let me not say that I'm doing my best to be perfect, but I don't want my kids to lack in any way. Yeah, I want them to follow up and be like other kids. Okay, and not feeling that, oh, mommy is this way, that way. I'll do my best, even though it's their first time. Because when I got this thing for them, they thought it's school bag. I said, no, it's not school bag. That is where you put your foot. And they are finding it difficult to carry it and carry the school bag at the same time. Because normally on our everything will be inside their school bag. Okay, so, but I know that as time goes on, they are going to get used to the new system of education. So, and for the lunch ideas, please, I need your assistance down there in the comment section. Is there any food that I can combine together and they will take it to school, or just Nigerian moms, you guys should help a sister, or anything that I'm forgetting? Yes. Do you give your child noodles? And how often do you do that? I've never spent money the way I spend on this back to school stuff. Hey, Chinekere. Like I said, I don't even want to talk about the monetary aspect of it. Like the way the thing was going out, I was shouting. They say, this is why you're shouting like this. What of us that are living in Nigeria? What are you going to say? And the only alternative you have in this country is if you can buy in bulk. That's the only thing that can save you. But nobody you go through in bulk. Eh? Like these biscuits now. They are selling one of these 100 naira. Okay, 100 naira have 3 kids. So every day I'm going to be buying 300 naira biscuits. You see, it's very difficult. So it's better for you to get it in carton, at least 2 cartons. So we'll wrap it here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. And if you've not liked this video up to this point, kindly do where to like it. All right, share your own opinion down there on the comment section till we come your way next time.